Hello everyone, welcome all to Quality Control Engineers. I am Shakib Arslan. You can know more about me by reading the passage here. I am a BTech and mechanical engineer. I am a quality control manager. I have 6+ experience in pipeline and fabrication industries. So today this is my first lecture on my channel, and I will be discussing more about what is quality control, how you can go in this field, how you can excel your career, and you can perform your level best. So my dear friends, one of my main motto through this channel is to make your basics strong, to make you understand that what we quality engineers do in the field, how we perform our duties and responsibilities which the company put on us, and how we give results to the company, how we behave with our clients, how we behave with our inspectors, and how we use to perform best of the best. So let us start our video. So the topic is, what is quality control? My dear friends, quality control means it is a part of an industry where the company makes sure that its quality is improved, quality is improved or maintained. So if a company wants to improve its quality or to maintain its quality, these 2 points please keep in mind, they should form a system. So for that system they are introducing these quality systems. This is a play a bigger part of the whole story. In this, what they do, they include a bigger system known as quality assurance, and in that internally they used to maintain a system known as quality control. So these are not, you can say, three departments, but I can say that it is a two departmental process. This is the first department in the company, and this is the second department of the company. So let us understand that how you will divide these two process in ensuring the quality of a product in the market or in the manufacturing system of your company. So let us learn more about quality assurance and quality control. So my dear friends, let us start with the definition of quality control. Quality control is beautifully defined according to American Standard of Quality. You can say like ASQ. It is defined as, I will write here, it is defined as the part of quality, it is defined as the part of quality management focused, please remember my words, focused on fulfilling the quality requirements. So my dear friends, this is the definition of the quality control. If you are appearing in any interview and you are present before three or four board members, and when they are asking you that what is quality control, my dear friend, you should give this definition that it is a part of quality management. What do you mean by quality management? It is a quality system. What we have discussed earlier in the previous slide, my dear friends, is when you are inside a quality management system, you are focused on maintaining the whole quality assurance and quality control in a ecosystem of a plant. When you are improving the quality, you are improving the production to the sales part of the company. We will understand more about quality control in our next slide. Let us move forward. But first of all, I want to discuss and make you clear that what do you mean by quality assurance. Here I have included one diagram for your clear understanding. But apart from that, first I will explain you practically that what is quality assurance. So please listen to my words first. Don't see this diagram. Quality assurance, in short, it is known as QA. In short, the main basic point you should remember in quality assurance is it is focused. It is focused on fulfilling the quality requirements. Quality requirements. It is focused on fulfilling the quality requirements. When you will try to understand that, sir, what is the basic difference between quality assurance and quality control, then my dear friends, I will tell you that quality assurance is followed by each and every member of the industry. It should be embedded from the first raw material stage of the product to the final stage. Quality assurance, if you want a definition from me, then I would say you that quality assurance is planned and systematic set of activities. It is both planned plus a systematic activities necessary to provide adequate confidence that the product is satisfactory. When we provide quality assurance in a product, we have to follow high standards in the product. When we follow high standard, we will confidently give guarantee to a product. And when we give guarantee, we are 100% sure that this guarantee would provide less service, but for customer satisfaction, we are providing service. And this servicing to the product brings improvement in the product, because when you provide service to the product, automatically the improvement or the disapprovement factor will be in front of your face. And when you do that, you give satisfaction to the customer. And when you give satisfaction and when the customer is satisfied with you, you make a business. And moreover, it is not the end. And I would say that if a company is comprising of 100 members, in that quality control personnel is 5 members, I would say that these 5 plus 95 means all over each and every, the quality control department is also and always responsible for this quality assurance. Each and every member should assure that from the product stage, I would say that from the product stage to the final stage, quality assurance play a very vital role, my dear friends. So I will give you a summary also about the difference between quality assurance and quality control. Even if you come to an interview where they used to ask you, then you can easily tell them about the basic difference, because I have made you understand. Let us move to our next slide. So this you can read it here. This is nothing new here because I have explained everything. In that, one of the main points which you should keep in mind is about this one. Point number 6. Quality control is the responsibility of the tester, but quality assurance is the responsibility of the entire team. This entire team is very important. When you give an interview and when you mention the first basic point that, sir, quality assurance is the responsibility of the entire team, and as I have mentioned you before only, that it is a planned and systematic set of activities necessary to provide confidence that the requirements are properly established and products or services conform to specified requirements. This is the basic definition. But my dear friends, you will not be able to remember this definition in interviews or in any part of your life also. You should better take an approach to quality control and quality assurance without getting a doubt also. Mark my words, you should remember quality assurance in a short form that it is a process of measuring, means remember, like it is a process of measuring plus examining E plus and testing to perform quality product. If you remember these three things, like measuring, examining and testing, then you can easily remember what is quality assurance is. I hope that this quality assurance concept is clear in your mind. Let us move to our next slide is what is the role of quality control. So before discussing the role of quality control, my dear friends, I want to say you that quality control engineers or supervisors are those persons who are either experienced or those who have pursued diploma or those who have performed BTech in mechanical engineering or civil engineering or electrical engineering or in IT field. Because quality control departments come in each and every branch of engineering, it is not fixed that it comes in civil mechanical only. It is distributed in each and every product. If you are manufacturing, then keep in mind the quality control factors will arise in that, and the client will ask you, do I have the quality control department with you or not? So my dear friends, this is common lecture to all and every branches. When you perform BTech in mechanical engineering or diploma in mechanical engineering, you can pursue your career in quality control based on your interest and if you are ready to take all the responsibilities. So let me discuss, if you are a fresher or if you are a working professional going to give interview of quality control, then we will discuss here four basic points. What is the role of quality control? The role of quality control, first my dear friends, the first point will be is the role of quality control is to perform, design, manufacture. I will write in short, to design, manufacture, to prepare documents like WPS, PQR, QAP, ITP, NDT plans. All these short forms we will discuss in future course of our lectures. These lectures will be continued in series only. So for the time being when I am here with you, I will discuss about this short form, like WPS means welding procedure specification, PQR means procedure qualification record, QAP means quality assurance plan, ITP means inspection and testing plan, NDT means non-destructive testing plans. So these are the documents which should be maintained by quality control professionals on the site, on the field, in and outside of the plant. The second role of quality control is to coordinate. My dear friends, as the space is very less here and the lines are more, so I will write in short only, but I will explain each and every point here. So please cooperate. Coordinate and perform raw material inspections, its MTCs and test certificates. What are the raw materials which are coming on site? The quality control persons need to perform its visual inspection and check the material test certificates and testing certificates also, to ensure that the material received is of perfect grade number. I will also discuss in my next video, that how to identify and inspect the raw materials at site. So slowly we will discuss and you will be able to understand. The third role of quality control engineers is, the quality control engineer should be very collaborative. Collaborative. Do you know what do you mean by collaborative? He should be a great team player. He should be a great team player. If he is a good team player, he can shake hands with the team and give a 100% results. So if it is not like that, you are a quality control engineer and you have a lot of attitude toward other members of your organization, and you are not coping or coming in direct contact with them, and you are continuously rejecting your products, this is not true. Or on the other side, you should come all together with your team. You should suggest what is the mistakes which are going in the product, and you should minimize those things, and you should work in a team so that you can give 100% of your result. In the last, the one of the main inspection point is inspection of, this is the one of the most important point I am writing, so please give attention. Inspection of welding, comma, painting. Painting will include surface profile, surface blasting, and also its paint thickness known as DFT, comma, NDT inspections, means this is non-destructive testing, non-destructive testing inspections, and audit. So these were the four major role of quality control engineers, quality control supervisors. So here I have written what is role of quality control. You can add as supervisor also, you can add as engineer also, no issues. But these four work should be mastered by any person, either it is supervisor or engineer. Company needs results. Whatever you give the results, it will be fruitful to the company with you doing your 100% responsibility. Let us move to our next slide. What is the quality control application? So quality control applications is huge in major industries. As I have told you earlier only, first use is in food industry. Food industry, you have seen that food inspector used to be there, like this FSSAI. This is our government of India inspection team who used to put rates on major food industries so that they can know the proper quality and quantity of the proportionate chemical compositions used in the industry. They are the part of quality control team. This is also used in food industry. Second is, quality control is used in chemical industries, in drugs and pharmaceuticals industries. These are used. Chemical industries contain lot of harmful gases. These are released directly in the atmosphere. The quality control team are responsible to manage these chemical gases and chemical materials. The third I have included is aircraft industry. As you know that aircraft industry is one of the most precision industries, and it is to be 100 and you can say 101% of seriousness is required in this industry, and lot of teamwork is required, because this industry is one of the most critical phase industry all over the world. The fourth is our steel industry. Steel industry requires a proper precision of all the material grades of steels which are produced in the market, with proper quality control team. Last is medical field. Medical field also requires medical instructions, so that patients should not be overdosed with certain drugs. So here also a quality control team plus quality assurance team is required for proper supervision. Let us go to our next slide. So here it is our ending of our lecture series. So here you can see that how a quality control inspector is inspecting. The visual inspection is going outside about welding. Here you can see that how quality control engineers used to perform their work at site. This is all a fabrication tank in where quality engineer is checking the welding proportions and what are the visual inspections can be done according to standards. The next slide I want to share with you. Here quality control team is using a bevel protector between two pipes to check its inclination angles. This was a bridge project which was undergone by under my supervision only. So we have placed a bevel protector here. The bevel protector is to show the angle here. Here is a pointer inside. Here this person is performing ultrasonic testing. As I have discussed in role of quality control NDT supervisions, so he is performing NDT testing, that is ultrasonic testing, with this help of machine in this welding joint. Welding joint he is performing to check if the weld is defect free.